When you first create a project in Android Studio, the project's assets are shown in the project window on the left. If you don't see the project window, you can click on the project tab and that opens and closes that window, or you can move the cursor down to the lower left corner and when the menu pops up, you can choose project from there. The project window by default shows a view named Android, and it only shows certain files and folders that are relevant when you're doing your day-to-day programming. But it doesn't show the actual underlying file structure on disk. To see that, change the view to Project, and now you'll see the actual files and folders. If you go to the top item, which represents the project itself, you can click this spinner icon to open it up. You can also right-click on that item and then choose Reveal in Finder or Reveal in Explorer to look at that folder in your file manager. Here are some of the files that are in the project folder. There's a file named build.gradle, which configures the Gradle build tool. You'll see a class path indicating the current version of Gradle that you're using. I'm using Android Studio 2 Beta 6, and so I'm using a matching Gradle tool. If you're using a later version of Android Studio, the value you see here will be different. There's also a file named Gradle.properties, which is used to configure the Gradle build tool, and Local.properties, which has some configuration values for the project itself. Notice that there's a value here called SDK.dir, which points to your copy of the Android SDK. This value will be different from one computer to another. And when I deliver exercise files for Android projects, I strip this file out. It will be regenerated when the project is opened on any other computer to point to that developer's copy of the Android SDK.